Welcome back to Juice Week. We're celebrating the upcoming release of Beetlejuice by diving into all things juice.
You said it twice, just say it once more, come on.
In the last video, I walked you through the process of creating a trendy product ad for orange juice. Today though, I'm adding another Pokemon to my collection by bringing Bounsweet to life. Bounsweet is a fruit Pokemon that looks a little like a berry just waiting to be juiced. Bounsweet's design is actually inspired by the tropical fruit called mangosteen, so why not start there? But actually, I'm getting ahead of myself. Before applying any texture, I first need to trace out all the shapes. With the textures applied, I can start defining the shape by making color adjustments and adding basic shading. Now I gotta do the same thing for the rest of the shapes. A little bit of warping and shaping is required to get everything just right. So before we move on, I just want to let you know that this Friday I'll be releasing my new Beetlejuice poster, so when you get back home from seeing the movie, come check it out. With all the textures, basic shading, and color adjustments in place, I begin to go back over each shape to add more subtle shading and highlights. the mouth, I used a portion of the inner flesh of the mangosteen, which worked out pretty well. And there you have it, Bounsweet brought to life with a little mangosteen magic. I hope you enjoyed this one. Let me know which Pokemon you'd like to see come to life next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.